one's actually doing well. So what we want to check for here is we actually want to see that the queen's not blocked in with her laying with honey.
Oh, right.
Because we might find there's lots of honey on the edges here.
Right. Must it keep giving smoke here?
Only if they start coming out.
Right.
Then you
Look
can...
at this.
So this is called festooning, where they come together like that at the bottom. Yeah.
Lovely.
Nice, eh? Yeah. So that frame was empty. Also, when we're doing inspections, we stand always to the back or the side. We never stand in front.
In the front. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So this is not a great full frame. I'm going to replace this one.
Must I give him more smoke? You must keep
No, it's okay. It's fine for now. Okay, this one we're going to take out. It's an old frame. What we're hoping to see, some brood. Last time we were in these boxes, we didn't, nothing, yeah. Looking for eggs as well.
Oh, how many? This is stunning. Look at that.
See for queens in it. Oh, there's a little bit of brood. There we go. That's what we want to see.
Fabulous.
See it there?
Yeah.
Okay. So there we're looking at just a little bit of brood. Last time we were in these hives, there was absolutely no brood at all. Very, very concerned. We've got a little bit. We're going to feed these bees now.
Isn't it a lot of bees considering the size of the hive? Is it fine?
No, it's perfect because the queen has not laid all of the frames. So we're going to put a super on top as well. Okay, there's brood as well. Nice. I mean, she's not filling up the frames yet, but it looks like they are preparing now for spring. So I think we're actually catching them at exactly the right time. Yeah. Oh, nice. There's some more brood. Okay, so this is all babies that are coming. Camera can see those.
Yeah, all on that side. That's
as
it.
well.
Yes, isn't it? Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
See.
Yeah. Okay, so that's fantastic. That's great news. That's 3 so far. Last time when I was in here, there was a lot of honey. They've actually eaten all that honey. Right? Okay, so there was also some brood on there. Although this year that we're looking at is actually drones. You see how big those cells are?
Yes.
Compared to those, yeah. So drones, the male bee.
Oh.
Yeah. So there in the middle, you can see there's larva in there. But that's larva for drones. Drone cells. You can see the difference between the drone cell there and then the normal cell.
So different home for the different rank.
Well, the drone is a slightly bigger bee. Actually quite interesting. The queen, before she lays her egg, she measures the cell with her antenna. And if it's a big cell, she'll put an unfertilized egg in for a drone. And if it's the normal size, then she puts a fertilized egg in for a worker bee. And that's all she does all day. Okay, that's a nice frame of wax. There's no resources left, so I think feeding them is actually going to be perfect timing. We're going to put a empty, this is empty, and then we'll put that empty in there, yeah. So there's 2 whites.
Come move, guys. Move. That's the new one. There we go. So must have with more smoke so they don't squash.
Yeah, he'll show you there's a way that we do it, and then you turn it like that, then you don't squash the
There
beans.
we go.
But let's just get nice and square. That's fine.
A lot of them here.
Yeah, there's a lot, so let me rather try and put them back in the hive.
What must I do?
I'm just gonna check them here.
Oh, there we go. Ooh. Go back.
So that one one's
So
gonna.
don't go
So we're gonna
there.
put that one on top with the hole in the back corner. That
Okay.
hole must be there. Yeah. The reason we put the hole at the back corner is because we're going to be putting the drip bottle. Yeah, we don't want it to drip on top of the brood,
No.
but it can drip on an empty frame, which is fine. Yeah. So that's exciting. I'm loving it.
You figure it out that like that. That is fabulous.
So then they'll start drinking that inside. And then you'll see after a day or two this will be finished. Even one day with a hive like this will be finished. But it's going to make the queen think that there's a nectar flow. And
Right.
she's going to start.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
So this one, the strap is here,
strap.
sorry.
Okay.
Worked. Listen.
Come on. Tight. Especially with these lids, because these lids are not. They're only like temporary lids. That's fine.